1 big piece of potato and mash. Add chili flakes, spring onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and diced onion. Add ½ teaspoon of salt and some oregano. Mix thoroughly. Take in bits and roll with your palm. Add 1 tablespoon of flour in a bowl and add some water. Mix. Cut off the edges of the bread. Flatten both sides with a rolling pin. Add the potato, coat the inside and edges with egg wash and roll. Seal off the edge with egg wash. Roll in the flour mix and coat with breadcrumbs. Deep fry on medium heat until golden brown. Remove from fire.